This is a text editor that allows for much easier development for Corona. You can find Corona Editor at coronalabs.com/products/editor. The link is also included in the project files of the Corona Editor section. What this editor basically does is allows you to go from something that would look like this to a much cleaner look, where everything is color-coded and you have a lot simpler and cleaner way to see your code. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Corona Editor page. So some of the features includes the debugger, the code completion, the ability to launch and look at the documents from your editor. A lot of this just makes the ease of use of Corona much better. So what we need to do first is download and install Sublime Text. There's a link on this page, but you can also go to sublimetext.com. And I would recommend downloading Sublime Text 3 from the download page, but you can also download to the earlier, more stable version. Once you've downloaded Sublime Text, the next step is to install Corona Editor. So what you would want to do is, once you have Sublime Text installed and open, you go to Tools, Command Palette, and you're going to want to find Package Control, Install Package. Now if Package Control isn't showing up, you need to activate the Package Control. There's an option here, Package Control Plugin, link on this page that you can click on. And what you need to do is take the version of Sublime Text that you're using, be it 2 or 3, select this section of code, copy it, then in Sublime Text you do View, Show Console, and paste that section of code in there. And once you run that, it should go ahead and install the package control to your version. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it, but let's go ahead and install the Corona Editor. So now what we do is go to Tools, Command Palette, Install Package, and then you're going to want to look through the list of packages available to find Corona. You can also type it in to get right to the editor. So once you've selected this, go ahead and let it load. Should take just a moment, and you should get a pop-up like this, and this shows you what Corona Editor is. Now one more thing you're going to want to do is, if you open any file that's .lua, so you can open the ones that we used earlier, the main.lua file, you want to go to View, Syntax, and you can choose to open all with current extension as a Corona SDK file. This will make it so every Lua file that you open, it opens automatically as a Corona file, which gives you all of the instant autocomplete and the lovely features like that. So this is an example of autocomplete. You'll see how it fills in the possible text that I can have there. So it knows the majority of Corona items now that we can use for Corona. So that is installing and setting up the Corona Editor.